In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a layer blur in Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set it up, why each setting matters, and how to tweak it so it looks clean and intentional. Start by opening Figma and heading to your design file. If you're starting fresh, create a new canvas by selecting the Frame tool from the toolbar. Frames in Figma act like artboards, so pick a preset size or drag out a custom one. This gives us a defined space to work in and makes it easier to keep everything organized. Next, add an image to your frame. You can drag and drop a file directly onto the canvas or use the Place Image option from the toolbar. Scale and position it the way you like. The image will be our background, and the blur effect we're about to add will sit on top of it. Now draw a shape over the image. A rectangle works great, but feel free to use an ellipse or any vector shape. Position it where you want the soft, hazy effect to appear. This shape is the layer we'll blur, which creates a smooth, atmospheric look over your image. With the shape selected, reduce its opacity to 40% in the right-hand panel. This transparency helps the blur blend into the design instead of looking heavy or opaque. It's a simple adjustment that instantly makes the effect feel more refined. Open the Effects section in the right sidebar. When you add an effect, Figma often starts you with a drop shadow. Click the effect type to open the dropdown and switch it to Layer Blur. Layer Blur softens the pixels of the selected layer itself, giving you that diffused, glassy glow. A quick tip: Layer Blur affects the object it's applied to. If you're looking to blur the content behind a shape, that's called background blur. Today we're focusing on layer blur for a stylized overlay. Adjust the blur value using the slider or by typing in a number. Higher values create a softer, more spread out blur. Lower values keep it subtle and tight. Start small and increase gradually until it complements your layout. Watch how the edges diffuse and how the shape interacts with the image underneath. Aim for a balance where the blur adds depth without obscuring important details. That's it. You've added a layer blur in Figma, set the right opacity, switched the effect correctly, and fine-tuned the intensity for a polished result. Save your file, and you're ready to apply this technique anywhere you want a soft, elegant glow.